So what you will need is a wooden hanger, some remnants of yarn, a crochet hook, scissors and a drill. So here is my little hanger. I'm going to, in the circles I put there where I want to drill. Here's my husband drilling some holes in it. As you can see, the wood is not really good and it starts to break a bit. We had to patch it up a little bit. As you can see with some paint, it doesn't look too great, but I don't think you can see it very much when it's hanging up high. So here I'm just looking at some different colors of yarn that I like to use. These are just some remnants I had left over from a rug I made for my daughter. I think they are made by Katia, but any like macrame yarn would be good because it's nice and sturdy. So I'm just looking what colors I want where. I'm using a crochet hook to guide the thread through, and then just like a macrame I make a little loop, pull the strands of thread through and pull it taut.
So this is what I've got so far. I think it works really well, the colours. Oh, do I include the blue? I'm not sure. I really like it. I wonder if it gets too dark. Or will I just do some colours? But I wonder if that's too bright. I wonder if it's good to have a dark blue in there as well. I do like the dark blue. But what do I put next to it? I don't want to go too dark. But I could do lighter one as well together with the blue. I really don't know. It does look really cute. And a clip or something like that. Maybe the blue can go at the end. Let's start with that. That looks alright. And do I put... Oh dear, it gets tangled. So this is the yarn that I had left over from years ago. I made my daughter a rug for in a bedroom. I crocheted that for her. I had lots of leftovers, so it's like proper nice thick yarn. I think it's from Kachia. Yeah. I don't really want to go for the white because, yeah, that's not going to stay white. So I can put it here, put next to, but what colour would I also use? Yellow, red, maybe. Oh god, I really don't know. I really don't know. Wish I had another light blue, which I do not. Could do white. Shall I do white? Maybe like that. Would that be good? Oh, excuse those holes, I know. They're terrible, isn't it? My patch up work was not great either. Hopefully you can't see it as much when it's hung. So they would just be looking at the bows. Yeah, I'm going to ask my dad to make some more of these for me, because this wood was just terrible. Yeah. I think maybe I could go for the white, cream and blue. There we go. Have I done the colours alright? I'm not sure. Oh my goodness. I wish I had some pinks. I don't have pinks. See it. Okay. There we go. So what do you guys think? Look at that. So I could fill it lots more with bowls. I still need to cut it to size, or I might do it on the market itself so I know how tall the gazebo is. Yeah, I think it looks really cute. So I've got a mixture of the colours, but I still added some neutrals in as well. So I think that might be good this way. So what do you think? Would you do this for your market? Is this a nice idea? I've got my market coming up this weekend, so oh, excuse my dog. I've got a market coming up, so I will show you how I hang it on the gazebo, and yeah, see how it goes from there. I think it might be a nice way to attract more people without them coming in your booth straight away. They might be apprehensive to walk straight away in your booth, and I think it would attract a lot of little girls to come to your booth. As they can see, you've got lots of bows and hair accessories straight away, which normally I just laid out on the table. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased about it. So then I've finished my bowl hanging thing, so I'll put a little sign on there. I put a bowl in it, which I put some little elastic around first, scrunchy. I tried to colour coordinate a little bit. I still have to cut it to size, but I'll do that when it's hanging in the gazebo. So yeah, best load up the car in a minute.